Hello, welcome to Graduate Lab channel. Today I will do Formsly review and demo. This is a form building software which just became available on Appsumo. That's why you don't see a lot of good reviews, but it just got the first good one. It is an alternative to Gravity Forms, SurveyMonkey or Typeform. And for example, if you missed a deal on a Gozen Forms AI, which is another form building tool which was available on Appsumo, you may consider this lifetime deal if you are in need of form building software. Regarding pricing, if we compare with some well-established form building softwares like Gravity Forms, here you start with $59 per year. With Typeforms, you start with €25, which is similar amount in USD dollars per month. And with Formsly, you have one plan available, which is $59 one-time purchase. Please pay attention that this deal is not stackable. You can only purchase one code per account. And another important factor to consider is that you have 200 responses per month. Please see for yourself if it will be enough for your use cases. And basically you have all other features available which this software provides. Okay, so let's jump into the demo. With this software you will be able to build forms like this one. Let's create new test form and start with classic one from scratch. Let's add heading. We can add logo. Let it be like so. Let's see what kind of questions we can add. We can have short response, long response, number, phone, email, date, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down, image choice, slider, opinion scale, star rating, matrix, text, image, signature, address, file uploader, and smart paragraph. Let's quickly test all of those. This is short text. Let's add another one. You can edit a particular question. You can change the type, make it required, set the max length. Let's test autocomplete. You can hide or show this field. You can duplicate, and also you can add conditional logic. For example, let's make it ignore case and have multiple choices. If someone will reply good or very good, then we will hide the second question, so we don't need the long answer why someone is not good. Let's set preview. How are you today? Good. We see that the second option disappeared. Let's add heading. We can also set URL for the heading. Let's preview. Here it is. It works. Let's add all other items. Alright, I've updated the fields. Let's preview those. This is our form. That's so good. Share. We can add several rows here, like so. 3-digit number. If it's not a 3-digit number, as we configure that, you won't be able to submit that. This is the phone, like so. Email field. You can set the date. You can have multiple choice options. You can have checkboxes. You can configure your own drop-downs. There are a few pre-selected, like available countries. You can add some image choices. Have ability to collect ratings. This is another way you can collect responses. You can add images and collect addresses. During form preview, you can also see how it will look like in mobile, like so. Let's publish our form. Now it is available by this link, and here it is. Let's submit. Let's quickly see what other options we have during form creation. We can configure several pages. We can see pages, we can add pages. Also, you can configure style of the form. You can choose several predefined styles. You can customize any of those, and you can save as a new style. And that saved style you will see at My Themes. What other settings we have? We can remove Formsly branding. That will be available in Appsumo deal. You can have redirect on completion feature. You can notify by email about form submission. Also, you can limit responses and open or close this form for input, and you may ask a password to protect this form. Okay, so now let's test other ways we can create forms. Classic form, and let's create with Formsly AI. Let's try customer satisfaction survey. Here it is. This is our form. You can collect the ratings. We have general questions about the services, areas for improvement, where did you hear about our services, most valuable parts. Yep, pretty good start for a customer satisfaction survey. Let's preview. Let's see what other kind of forms we can have. Besides classic form, you can have interactive survey. Let's create survey with Formsly AI. Let it be like so. Create. Here is our draft survey ready. And basically, we have a lot of steps. And for each step, we can have conditional logic. Like based on some particular answers, we can jump into a particular step or hide or show particular questions. Let's preview generated survey. Start. Let's go. Feature number 1, feature 5. Let's skip. 10. Okay. Submit. For a particular form, you can also see the responses and some other additional statistics. Okay, moving to the conclusion. Formsly is a nice little form builder. I liked using this tool. It was pretty easy to use and design was very nice. It delivered what it promised, building forms and surveys. So if you didn't grab any other lifetime deal on similar form building software, you may consider this one. Though again, please check the details of the deal to see if all the limits will be enough for your use case. Again, very nice and simple to use form building software. To get it, please check the link in the description or scan QR code that you can see right now on the screen. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.